running out of water, so we have to build the Watermaker.
In this episode, we leave Alabama and head to Panama City, Florida. We come close to running out of water, discover a stowaway, do some repairs underway, and you guessed it, more storms. See you later, Mobile Bay. This is a very narrow cut with shallows on either side, and we have the current against us and the wind behind us. We're coming out here to go out into the Gulf, out of the Pensacola Inlet. Buildings off in the distance is Pensacola. There goes one.
Broke a slug, so now we're going to
A slug in the mainsail.
On the mainsail.
So right up there, one of the slugs broke. Luckily we had some slugs. I had to take everything out of the garage to find it. But what else do we have to do?
I need to go use the seam ripper to get the old webbing out because we can't find our new webbing. So
Okay.
go up forward with my seam ripper. Don't set on that needle.
You want your palm?
Actually goes through pretty easy.
There's our little friend. Hello, guy. Come on.
All mariners listening at Channel 16, be advised there's an open mic. Coast Guard requests that you assist in fixing the issue by checking your radios so emergency traffic can be effectively transmitted to the United States Coast Guard. This is United States Coast Guard Sector Mobile, Alabama, out.
I'm petting him. I think he's tired. doing?
Oh, just rinsing these fish some more. Well, you
Bonita or bonito are in the same family as mackerel and tuna. However, we here most don't like to eat them because they are a red meat that tastes fishy. Those folks don't have Captain Mike as a chef. It was delicious. Look, you can't even see land over there.
I could 2 seconds ago when I looked it up.
It's coming.
Oh.
You better hurry. We came into St. Andrews Bay entrance very late after a 104 nautical mile passage. We anchored just a few minutes before midnight, and the next day the storms rolled in. Second storm of the day.
Excuse us.
Scoochie! Come to Florida, they said. Where it's sunny and warm and big storms. Right, Archie?
I think he's on bottom over there.
He's not turning
Turning
with the wind. I think he's on bottom too. He's on bottom.
It's not moving much.
That sucks. What's today's project?
Plumbing.
You love plumbing.
We're running out of water, so we have to build the Watermaker.
That's no lie.
Can I get another round?
I think so. Oh yeah. This is facing out.
Oh, I just faced it all the wrong way. Son of a bitch. Okay, now I'm gonna try and redo the flow rater.
Don't hit your head.
After a few mess ups and several cuss words, we are now making water. We decided to go with the 120 volt AC version so we could make a lot of water in a hurry. We have 2 membranes to desalinate the water at 40 gallons per hour.
Seawater Pro is a locally owned and operated marine equipment business out of Fort Lauderdale, Florida. They design it, manufacture it, and sell it. We are not sponsored by them, but we highly recommend them.
What you doing?
I'm doing laundry for the first time without a washer or dryer.
How is it?
Wasn't too bad. I don't love it. I don't mind hanging it out. It's the washing part, but yeah, it is what it is.
Okay.
It'll even get better when we're in the Bahamas and have a better view. We took a short dinghy ride and a long walk to the gas station to get some diesel. Those are 5-gallon jerry cans, and when full, weigh 35 pounds each. Thanks so much for watching, and hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next week.